Good morning. We're going to look at updating the back end of WordPress. As you can see here, I have an update available for WordPress 3.7.1. Before I even do this, I want to go to my Tools, click on Export, and I want to download all content of my website. That way, if there's any problems with the update, I would be able to pull in all of my content. And also you should just double check with your web host provider that they're providing daily or weekly backups of your site. So I'm going to download my export file. And you can see down here that that is downloading. It should just take a moment. When that is complete, we're going to go up here and we're going to click on Please Update Now. And here I'm going to click on Update Now. Now, whenever WordPress updates, usually there are WordPress plugins that also need to be updated. You always just want to make sure these are updated so that you're not leaving any holes for hackers to come in and exploit. So I just clicked on plugins. I'm going to go through my list. Here I have a new version of WordPress SEO. I'm going to click on Update Now. Then I'm going to get a message that the plugin has been updated. It's updated successfully. I'm waiting for the message of whether it's been reactivated. Now it's been reactivated successfully, so I'm going to go back to my plugins page because I know I have one other. And then here's my WordPress, my mobile plugin, so I'm going to update it. And we'll go through the process for any plugins that need to be updated. I have my message that it's updated successfully. So I'll just wait for it to tell me it's been reactivated. Now if you notice up here, you'll see that it's still telling me I have one thing that I have not updated. So let's just click there and see what it tells me. Everything has been updated successfully. So I do this on a monthly basis. I go in and make sure that there's no comments marked as spam. And all of these things will help keep the back end of your WordPress running smoothly, efficiently, and leave little room for those hackers.